Hi, this is Jennifer Johnson. I'm here at Carteret County Public Schools, and I am the Chief Communications Officer. And we are launching a new strategic plan this year for parents and families that are tuning into this video. And one of the things that we would like to do is really connect with our community, answer your questions, and be fully available for people who have questions. And our new school year is starting very soon, and we wanted to make sure that some of your questions that are already coming up about school meals, it's a very different procedure and some different items that we're going to talk about in a few minutes for our school meals. And so today I have Melissa Albright. Say hi, Melissa Albright.
Hi.
She is our director of school nutrition. And so first of all, Ms. Albright, we just want to thank your team because school nutrition workers are really what fuels our kids and makes them successful every day. Sometimes in the breakfast line, they're the first faces of school employees that our students see, and that makes a huge difference. So we do want to thank all of your employees for what they do.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. We have had some questions about school meal prices this year. So if we can talk about the change in school meal prices, just to really get some information out there so parents understand. So in the past a couple of years, during and after the pandemic, school meals became free for all students. Is that correct?
That is correct, yes.
Okay. How were meals free for students, first of all?
Okay, so prior to me even coming on with Carteret County, Hurricane Florence in 2018, lots of parents qualified because of the disaster in the district. And then a year after that, we had the pandemic, and the United States Department of Agriculture made all meals free for all students for a period of a couple of years, and all of that has ended. We were under community eligibility provision because of the hurricane, but that ended in June of 2022. So this year we go back to all students either qualifying for free meals or paying for meals at the point of service.
Okay. Great explanation there. And so what actually is the cost? So let's talk about that. We have people who qualify for free meals, and then we have people who we're going back to actually paying for school meals for those who do not qualify. So what is the cost, first of all, for breakfast and lunch?
Okay, for breakfast for a full pay student is $1.50 and lunch is $3. If the student qualifies for reduced price, it's 30 cents for breakfast, but the state is covering that cost, and 40 cents for lunch, and it's in the House of Representatives now, and we're hoping that the state will pay that cost as well.
Awesome. There's some legislation out there, and we'll talk about in a few minutes how our parents can help us with that, actually. Well, one question that we have is, how is this going to affect our low-income families in the area?
It will not affect the low-income families. If they qualify for Work First, FNS, Medicaid, they're automatically qualified through DHHS, and we get a downloaded file of those names, and it goes directly in our system, so they don't even have to complete an application.
Okay. And so no application needed if you qualify for those things. Can you list those things one more time for our families?
Yes, it's FNS, Work First, and you just made me for Medicaid. Medicaid.
And Medicaid.
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you. So is there an income that families need to be in to receive these benefits?
There is, and we actually have it on our website under frequently asked questions. If you go to Carteret County's website.
Okay. Actually, I think I'll just share my screen and let's show families how to do that right now.
Absolutely.
Like you said, we are on the school's website or the district website. So tell us where to go.
Go to departments.
Okay.
And go to child nutrition.
All right. So departments and child nutrition for parents. And here's your page.
Scroll down. And there is a link there that says frequently asked questions about meal prices and reduced meal eligibility. And if you click on that.
All right. So parents, if you're wondering if you are eligible for free and reduced school meals.
And there's the federal income chart.
Okay, perfect. And explain what that is really quickly for those who might not know.
It's what USDA uses to determine eligibility for the meals, and it depends on the household size, either your annual income, your monthly income, however you get paid. And if you have to fill out the application, it will ask you for your income information.
Okay. Perfect. And again, if you look at the top of this page, I see that you do have the meal prices if someone didn't catch that. So that's on that FAQ page. What else is on this page here? You have lots
It
of-
just tells you who to contact, how to get an application, where to go to get the application, and just anything else that you might need to know if you want to apply. And if you don't agree with the decision, who to contact.
Okay.
But we try to give you plenty of contact information, and even other programs you can, we've given you that number too.
Okay.
If you qualify for free meals, lots of times you qualify for other things, and if we're just trying to give you all the information that you might need.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. So if we go back to this page, what do we have here at the bottom of this page?
Link Connect is our new a payment system, and if you go to Link Connect, either the online portal, or you can download it on your phone, and those are the QR codes for Apple or Google.
Okay.
And you can apply for meals, you can check your students' accounts, you can add money to the account. Everything is done through that portal.
Okay. Perfect. So this is Link Connect. It's the new app. And parents can manage their accounts for their students.
Yes.
Is that correct? Okay.
That is good.
Perfect. And so again, if parents wanted to see if they're eligible, the FAQ is right here. They can download an app once you understand that you do need to pay for meals, etc. And so that's a lot of information. I know otherwise that some parents think there's like a stigma. So Melissa, if you'll talk to us just about that for a minute.
Sure.
If parents really feel like, and I'm going to stop sharing here, there might be a stigma for students if they're actually paying for a meal. And maybe when our parents were in school, it might have looked different. So can you tell us what that looks like now if someone qualifies, and what it looks like when they go through the lunch line?
Oh, yes. When the kids come through the lunch line, they use their student ID, the same number they use for their Google Chrome, library, wherever. It's that same number, and they actually type in the number, so nobody knows their number, and it doesn't even display on our point of sale system whether a student is eating free or has to pay, or, I mean, even our cashiers don't know. So no one knows. I mean, we do not share that information with anyone other than a few programs in the school district. That's it.
Okay. So the reports that come through for those parents that are automatically qualified, those are confidential reports that's only shared with child nutrition.
Correct.
And then if someone applies for free and reduced meals and qualifies, that's not shared at all?
It is not shared, no.
Okay. And not even the people in the lunch line know that. Everyone just types in their number. Okay.
That's it. That's
Wonderful.
it.
Wonderful. Well, thank you for answering our questions. Is there anything else that you would like for our parents to know about this school year or school meals?
Just that we're available if they want to give us a call or check out our website. And if you still have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll be glad to help you in any way we can.
Okay, perfect. I'm going to share one more slide, Melissa, but thank you so much for everything that you do. And you can stay right there, but I'm going to share a slide with our families just so they know where we can get some more information about the district. It's our new slogan for this year. If you're still with us, engage, educate, and empower. You get a little sneak peek today of this. Again, here's our telephone number. As Melissa said, you're welcome to call our telephone number. Look at our website about child nutrition. Call and ask for child nutrition. If you have a question, we'll be happy to download. And of course, follow us on all of our social media. We'll have posts about that. And if you want to go ahead and look and get a sneak peek of the strategic plan, you're welcome to click on that QR code that's down below. So again, Melissa, I just thank you again for joining us. We really want to make sure our parents are informed, and if they have questions, et cetera, they can contact us at Carteret County Public Schools.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. We hope everyone has a great year, and we appreciate all of our parents and what they do. And we're excited to see your students.